Hi, in this video I'm going to show us how to share our YouTube playlist link. Right? For example, you have several songs in a particular playlist and you want to share all the songs together in one playlist instead of sharing them independently to your viewers or your listeners. Instead of sharing the song independently, all you just need to do is to share your playlist. But before you do this, make sure your playlist is either in public or unlisted, right? I'll get back to that. Now, assuming I want to share my videos and I come to my channel here and I want to share um, the okay, I go to my playlist and I want to share the videos here. As you can see, I want to share the videos. These are all the videos under this playlist called My Church MIS. Now, if I click on this share, it will give me this link. And if I copy this link and go to Microsoft Edge, let me just paste it there. See? Now, as you can see, it's giving me this very video and not all the entire videos I want to share, right? So what do I need to do now is to let me go back to my, so I close this. Now instead of doing this, there are two ways you can go about this. You can either click this link here. As you can see here, it ends with CA9A. I select it, right? And then I go back to, if I select it and copy it, and then I go to Microsoft Edge, yeah, and then I paste it in Microsoft Edge. Now observe, right? All the videos are on the right, okay? Now, all I just need to do is share that very link I've copied, right? Now, if maybe you do this and it didn't work out for you, what next you need to do is click on your avatar here, click on YouTube Studio. If you're using the modern Chrome, it should show YouTube. If not, it may show Create Studio. So whatever one, just click on YouTube Studio, right? When you click on YouTube Studio, it will open up a new page. Okay. Now on this page, if this sidebar is not open fully, you click here and then click on Content. Right? Click on Content. Now these are your videos, but these are independent videos, right? These are independent videos. This is not where we are going to. Where we are going to is playlist, right? Now this is the playlist whose link I want to share, right? So while I'm here, there are two things I can also do to share this. As you move your mouse pointer over the playlist, you see that these three icons or these icons will appear. So what you can do is click here and then click on Get Shareable Link. Now, if I go back to Microsoft Edge, I delete this and then I paste again. Observe. Right? It has given me the view in a different way entirely, right? It has given me the view in a completely different way entirely, right? And it will even be the preferred view I would love to share with my viewers, right? Now, while still on this page, if these do not show, another way you can do it, you can get that shareable link is like you click on your thumbnail, right? It will open this, and then you click on this. No, not this. Yeah, you click on wait, share. Yes, share. Right? You click on this now. It has copied it, and then we'll go back to Microsoft Edge. I delete again, and I paste. It will still give me this same view, right? So this is the very easy way to share your YouTube playlist to all your viewers. I hope it will benefit someone. It was an issue for me, but I was able to resolve it, right, by navigating through all to some of the menus and links in YouTube, and I was able to get this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.